Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. My interface board that's for the Retevis RT97S or the Midland MXR10 GMRS two-way radio repeaters are back in stock. This interface board lets you get zello, date, time, weather announcements, repeater ID over the airwaves using this interface board for those two models of repeaters. It's a plug and play, really easy to set up. I'll post a link to the to my store for this, and also I'm going to post a link in the description below the forum where you can read about this interface board if you need it to get more information. But this will let you get, using those two repeaters, you can get zello, date, time, weather announcements, repeater ID, and you can use a computer, a mini PC. I even have a Raspberry Pi image on my forum also that would work. But yeah, you can use either one of those devices to get what you need on your repeater. Maybe you just want repeater ID, not a problem. Maybe you just want weather announcements and date and time, not a problem. But at any rate, they're back in stock. And also I want to mention, if you signed up to get notified when any of my products are back in stock through email, make sure you check your spam folder, because sometimes the emails go in the spam folder, sometimes they don't. I don't know why. But if you don't check your spam folder on a regular basis, you may miss the email notification that a particular item is back in stock. So make sure you check your spam folder. But there you have it. I'll post the links to this interface board in the description below. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.